Introducing the Deer Ridge 34 TBDB, a beautifully appointed luxury travel trailer that combines refined design, upscale finishes, and a residential-style layout for a truly elevated camping experience. As you step inside, the kitchen immediately makes an impression with its peninsula island and sleek stainless steel fixtures, creating a space that feels both sophisticated and highly functional. To the left, the living area feels bright and inviting, with a comfortable couch featuring theater seating and generous natural light pouring in through the windows. Just behind it, the convertible dinette is finished in rich dark wood with storage beneath the benches and a marble-textured tabletop to add the distinctly upscale touch. Turning for a closer look at the kitchen, the premium detailing continues throughout. Black appliances, a full-sized fridge and freezer, microwave, 4-burner stovetop, oven, expansive counter space, and abundant storage all come together to create a kitchen that feels exceptionally well equipped and beautifully designed. Moving into the fully private master bedroom, the atmosphere becomes even more serene. With ample storage, soft natural light, and elegant slat wood wall paneling, this space feels thoughtfully curated and wonderfully relaxing. The ensuite bathroom carries that same elevated aesthetic, featuring a bowl sink, black fixtures, marble-textured countertops, and a spacious fully tiled shower that gives the room a clean, modern, and luxurious finish. At the opposite end of the RV, the bunk rooms are thoughtfully separated by wooden sliding barn doors, adding both privacy and architectural character to the layout. In the right bunk room, the design includes an upper bed with a convertible couch below, offering both versatility and comfort, along with more of the slat wood wall paneling that ties the space together beautifully. Positioned between the bunk rooms is a secondary bathroom, adding convenience and functionality while maintaining the same polished, well-finished feel found throughout the trailer. The left bunk room mirrors the same well-executed design, with an upper bed and convertible couch below, creating another private and comfortable sleeping area for guests or family members. Ready to experience the Deer Ridge 34 TBDB for yourself? Shop or apply online today at campmart.ca or visit CampMart in person and explore this exceptional luxury RV up close.